Welcome to our next session. Today we are going to learn the liquid state, that is from class 9th chapter 1 matter in our surroundings part 5. Okay, liquid state. What is the liquid state? The liquids, they do not have definite shape but they have definite volume. See, as they do not have the definite shape, what happens? They will get the shape of the containers in what we take them. They have the fixed volume and they can flow. So they change their shape. See, as they are flowing, they can change their shape. And here these are, as they are changing their shape, or they are easy to flow, they are not rigid. These are also called as what? Fluids. Liquids are also called as fluids. In the liquids, intermolecular space will be more than the solids and less than the gases. And according to that, as the intermolecular space is increased, the intermolecular forces of attraction are decreased. Now, let us see one more property of liquids, that is diffusion. Diffusion means what? Diffusion is the intermixing of the liquids. Okay. See, these liquids show diffusion property. And this diffusion, it can be in liquids into liquids, or solids into liquids, or gases into liquids. Okay. See, means what here? The liquids can be dissolved in liquids. First of all, let you know the examples for liquids, that are milk, water, any cool drinks, anything which is in liquid form, these are the liquids. Here, the diffusion of liquids into liquids. See, here this is a liquid. Milk is a liquid. This water is a liquid. We can add water to the milk or milk to the water. See, the water is flowing. This is the flow. The liquids can flow. See here, nicely, how nicely they are intermixing each other. Okay, diffusion means what? Intermixing. And chemically what happens there? The particles of one matter will occupy the spaces of the other matter. The intermolecular spaces in the other matter. This is the example of intermixing or diffusion of liquids into liquids. Now let us see the diffusion of solids into liquids. See, this is the water. This is the salt, water. I am adding salt to the water, and by stirring it will be intermixed very well. Okay, means here also the diffusion is taking place. Now one more type of diffusion, that is gases into liquids. See, the gases also will get intermixed with the liquids. However you have seen, yes, in the water the gases, atmospheric gases will intermix. I have already explained you in the acid rains chapter that the oxides of nitrogen and sulfur, they will intermix with the rainwater and drop as the rainwater, I said you. Okay, like that the gases like carbon dioxide or oxygen, they will intermix or they will diffuse into the water. Okay, so this water, if in the water oxygen is dissolved, oxygen is known as dissolved oxygen. See, the water from the water bodies, always in that water the oxygen and the carbon dioxide will be dissolved in that water. And this dissolved oxygen helps aquatic animals and plants for breathing or even under the water. Okay. Now, with this what we can understand, that the liquids, solids and gases, all these three types of matter can be diffused into liquids. Okay. Now, the rate of diffusion, how it will be, we will see. Rate of diffusion, it is more in gases than the liquids and it is more than the solids. Means the gases will diffuse much more than the liquids and the liquids will get diffused more than the solids. Why? What is the reason behind this? That is due to intermolecular forces of attraction. Intermolecular forces of attraction are very less in gases, moderate in liquids and are more in the solids. And this is also related to the intermolecular space. In the solids, intermolecular space will be very less comparatively to the liquids and it will be very less comparatively to the gases. Means in the gases, the intermolecular forces will be less but the intermolecular spaces will be more. Okay. With this we have completed today's session. In this session what we have learned, the properties of liquids and the property of diffusion. Okay. Now all of you take the screenshot. Okay, have you taken? Okay students, we will meet in the next class and in the next class we are going to know about the gaseous state. Okay, till then have happy time all of you. Thank you.